Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. So this weekend we have something pretty cool that I'm excited to do. Always want to be a product test developer, and I got a quick opportunity for a new part that's going to be released for the C5 Corvette, which ranges from 1997 through 2004. That would be the C5 generation Corvette, which is also the last Corvette with pop-up headlights. Pretty cool. So any C5 Corvette owner is well aware that the stock pop-up headlights are a joke from the factory, and they're extremely dangerous in terms of how much, or I should say lack of light output that they actually put out from the factory. It's pretty dangerous on the roads. Definitely should be upgraded pretty quickly. So we're not upgrading the headlights today, but what we are doing is demoing yellow LED fog light bulbs to use in your Corvette's C5's stock fog light housings. Let's jump in. Boom, 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 boom. And it's just a little envelope. Inside is the envelope. You should have, be careful. Boom. 2 LED fog light bulbs with a heat sink, I guess you would say, and fans built into all-in-one unit, plug and play. So let's go to the car. Alright guys, so what better way to film an instructional video than in the pitch dark? But we are working on fog lights. So the first thing you're going to do is remove your plastic headlight surround. So the hood side, you have 1 screw, then followed up by 1 screw there, and then 1 screw in the back, which I already removed. So 3 screws to pop off your surrounds. Go back to the passenger side. Alright, so now that we edited this, here you can see, I'll point to it with the screwdriver. Let's make sure it focuses. That down there is your stock fog light housing, gray connector in the bulb. Alright guys, you can see the halogen bulb stacked up against the LED bulb. Let's go toss one on. Alright guys, I'm going to try to do a quick little pan out. Driver's side stock halogen bulb fog light, passenger side LED yellow fog light bulb. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up our LED Corvette fog light bulb installation video. I hope you found it informative, easy to follow. So if you're enjoying this content, please send me a subscribe, like the video, post any good comments, bad comments, you know, it's all the same. And I am going to post a link for Radio Flyer Innovations on how to purchase for your C5 Corvette, and also finish off with a few pictures. Thanks again for watching. Once again, this is Dadlife.